Okay, today I'm gonna show you how I configured the router here as a DHCP server. So let me just explain the topology here. So basically we have a NAT cloud. This lets the devices here to get to the internet. And this is the IP address on the WAN link, and this is the IP address on the LAN side, and of course this is the DHCP IP address on the Ubuntu Docker. So I prepared this configuration. This procedure. So yeah, first step is configure the router as a DHCP server with the following commands. So that is basically how you configure the router as a DHCP server. So I'm just gonna show you the commands here that I did. So again, DHCP. So here are the commands. So first off I excluded the IP addresses that I don't want this server, DHCP server, to allocate to the hosts. And I created the DHCP pool, and this is the IP range. So in this case, this is /24, and this is the default router, which is the IP address on that LAN interface here. This is the default router, or the default IP address, or default router, or the IP address on this interface here towards the LAN side. And so yeah, that is basically how you can configure the router as a DHCP server. And number 2 is configure the DHCP client to get an IP address via DHCP. So this is what I did. I just I went to the client, Ubuntu Docker, and I just uncommented these commands here, or these parameters. So auto Ethernet 0, and iface Ethernet 0 inet DHCP. So basically, previously there were pound number sign here in front of these commands, but I removed them. So that is called that's how you uncomment these lines here. And basically save it and exit. And number 3, or step 3, this is how you restart the service on the DHCP client by issuing this command, but it is not supported on this Ubuntu Docker, so I went ahead and cold restarted it. So basically I just stop it and restart it again. And so yeah, number 4 is just to verify the DHCP binding on the router and the IP address and the DNS IP on the Ubuntu Docker. So this is how you would, I mean how you verify the DHCP binding on the router. So as you can see, this is the IP address on the Ubuntu Docker here, and this is its MAC address, and type automatic, so basically the DHCP. And you can also do a debug IP DHCP server packet on the router if you want to see the messages that are happening between the this client here and the server. But or actually, I think we can do it. We can do it here. So I'm gonna stop. Let's see if it's gonna work, and restart. And let's go to the router. So here. So as you can see, there was a DHCP discover received from this interface here, and what else can we see here? DHCP discover, and so DORA, right? Discover offer, and this is the offer. The offer is called, and this is discover. So yeah, discover D. This is the D in DORA process. Discover and offer. So this is what the server is. The message is coming from the DHCP server, and R received or request. This is the request coming from the DHCP host or client, and this is the ACK from the DHCP server. So yeah, that's the DORA process. And what else we can do here? I'm gonna actually undebug that, right? Let's undebug it. Debug all. Yeah, turn off. And this is how you can verify the IP address, the DHCP IP address on the Ubuntu Docker. So by issuing this command, so in this case I have a different IP address, different from what we have here. So .2. So let me go ahead to R2, to the router, and issue this command. Show IP DHCP binding. So when I restarted the Ubuntu Docker, it got a different MAC address, so that's why this server is assigning a different IP address. So this is the IP address on the Ubuntu Docker now. So and this is how you can verify the DHCP server on the host, or on the DHCP client. So in this case, of course, here you can see that the DNS server is the Google DNS, and yeah, this is the directory that you need to check if you want to verify the DNS server IP address. So yeah, we can do a ping from the host. So google.com. Let's see if it can. Yeah, it can ping the google.com and host. This is what I believe what they call reverse DNS. So instead of using the host name or the domain name, using the IP address. So I'm not sure what this is, but as you can see here, this is the IP address of google.com. So it doesn't say pointing to google.com. Let's try cisco.com. Okay, Cisco, and let's try the IP address. So yeah, you can see that it says cisco.com. So DNS works. I can get to the internet from the Ubuntu Docker. So that's how you can configure your DHCP server or the router as a DHCP server in GNS3. And by the way, this Ubuntu Docker here can get to the internet because I configured this NAT on the DHCP server, so we can actually go ahead and verify this. So that's the configuration. That's the outside interface, and this is the inside interface. As you can see, IPNAT outside, IPNAT inside, and this is the NAT configuration. NAT. This is the NAT. This is how you do the NATing. So basically, if you want to NAT from the inside, and this is the source, this is the IP address, this is the interface facing the internet. So this IPNAT outside is configured and overload. And of course, the list is the access list here. So permits everything basically. So yeah, 29 matches. So yeah, that's how you can configure a router as a DHCP server in GNS3. So yep, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.